Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Another day, another life here in the UK with Mr. and Mrs. Dave. Guys, kami sa Glasgow, pero magsakay sa big bus. Paingon sa train station, dili may mag-car. Dili si David ganahan mag-car. Feeling kay artista. May bus dili sa among caravan, guys. I-pick up me. Diba? Paingon mi sa ato may Glasgow daw. Ride me off bus. Station entrance. So very quiet here. Para pagka wrong turn tahana. No people here. Oh, it's abandoned. It's abandoned place. Really? Seriously? So, nanagiday mi dani, guys. Abi na kog marong turn mi, guys. No. Ano sa mga taon rin ng gawas, guys, oh. So, we are here na day sa train station. Kapawa mo tara niyo. Ulat namin sa among train. Going to Glasgow. Glasgowhan? I don't know kung saan nga pagka-pronounce. O nara, guys. O, diba? Ana, naghaliday mo, explore. O, diba? Scotland Railway. So we are here na, guys, inside the train. We have our own table. Lain mo din sinultian diri sa tao sa Scotland day, guys. Pili sila English. O na. Going namin sa Glasgow. Glasgow ba yun, ha? Glasgow. So here, waiting for the sa train station. Inside the train. Diba?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh, see? Naramang ticket, guys. Kaya upat namang ticket kay balikan, back and forth. Diba? Papahingo namin dito. Narang outside sa train. Nagulat namin nga malarga. Nailami sa among bangko. Social kayo. Larga na among train, guys. We're going na. O, diba? Outside. Nara siya, guys. Hindi na gulat-ulat sa pasayro dire. Balag kamayra larga. Kamayra mga pasayro dire, guys. Kag mga pasayro, wala.
We are now approaching Newton on Air. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Where are you going, my love?
Glasgow.
Glasgow.
Prestwich.
Mara, guys, ang mga balay. Stop na sa another station. Big place.
Bigger than Leeds.
Guys, niabot nami, guys. Lots of people here walking. So we're going out na for explore Glasgow.
Buy new tickets again.
Yeah. We're here, holding hands pa rin. Diba? Lots of people.
chicken.
Na Krispy Kreme guys, na Griggs, na Costa. O, diba? Ha?
Costa.
Grabe ka, dagan sa tao guys. Kagawas guys, kung imong ticket na raong. Dapat imong ticket na guys. I will go for, we're looking for a toilet. CR, kaya kahiunta guys. Diba? Among toilet guys, sarap. The building guys, very old. We are here na in Glasgow. Look at the... Huh?
Drum and monkey.
Drum and monkey. Yes, look at the building guys. Lang diri guys kay ang building no, look mga ligon kaayo. Look at the building here, mga old, mga vintage or like that. Diba? Explore! Guys, inani ka tsada ang building dire. Look. See? Mga old, mga look like vintage like that. Old kayo guys. Oh, so nice. Lots of people lang. Lots of people. What is that? Manilang Town Center guys. Diba? So nice. Oh, ikot mo ha. Like that. See? Manilang Town Center, so nice. Ang mga building, grabe ka nice. Mga vintage, mga karaan ng building guys. Diba? Si David, my love!
It was, you never put it on.
Someone feeding.
Yeah, but don't disturb him.
Just video it. That's why. Kaya pinapakain niya yung mga ibon, guys.
Let me eat.
Yeah. They bring some bread. This is all my birds, guys. Look at the bread, it's mold. Come here.
They won't.
No.
Right on the floor. Right, you come in.
Guys,